Most people will never spend hours moving through the Australian mountain bush in silence. They'll never know what it feels like to become smaller than a leaf, to move like a rumour between the trees. There is no cheering crowd here. There are no easy wins. Nothing you do in here is guaranteed. This isn't a hobby. It's a private confrontation. With the land, with the animal, with yourself. Some men chase trophies. Some men chase comfort. We chase the quiet. We chase the feeling of earning a moment no one else will ever witness. This is bow hunting in Australia. Sambar deer didn't come here to be legends. They became legends because they learned to outsmart us. Their shape, their stillness, their refusal to panic. They don't run to survive. They disappear. Fallow are different. They're loud, theatrical, full of drama in the rut, but just as unforgiving once the show is over. We don't hunt them because they are convenient. We hunt them because they test the version of us that we think we are. We don't come here to take from them. We come here to measure ourselves against them. This country isn't neutral. These ridges breathe. These gullies talk. Every ridgeline has an opinion. Every thermal shift is a decision you must interpret. This is not a paddock. This is not a shooting lane. This is a puzzle, constantly rearranging itself around wind, time, terrain, and deer behaviour. And if you don't listen, the land will punish you. People think bow hunting is about closing distance. It isn't. It's about dissolving distance, one quiet step at a time. Every twig you avoid snapping, every breath you pause, every moment you wait instead of push. That's the work. When you move as if you've already been seen, you are moving correctly. Pinch points, kill corridors, silent camps, thermals that go up in the morning, down in the evening, and swirl unpredictably where the timber folds. We're not tourists here. We're participants in an old mathematics of pressure, opportunity, and silence. No one uploads the empty drives back to camp. No one posts the moments where your confidence collapses into self-doubt. Those are the real moments that shape us. Boots off at camp, bow packed away, silence around the fire. You sit there with your thoughts, and you know exactly where you rushed, exactly where you guessed, exactly where you failed to slow down. Failure is not a glitch in bow hunting. Failure is the curriculum. The real high of bow hunting isn't the grip and grin. It's not the photo, not the Euro moment. It's the moment before that. That electric freeze when you're at full draw and the entire universe shrinks to 5 seconds of breath control and discipline. That moment is the reward. That moment is the truth. Because when you release that arrow, you're not proving that you can kill. You're proving that you earned the right to try. I carry the last hunt's mistakes with me. I chased sign instead of position. I moved too fast when the country looked good. I rushed my draw when it mattered most. These are not tips, these are vows. Next hunt I will move half speed in good country. I will treat sign as a clue, not a destination. And I will draw smooth, not fast. Growth is not found in the victories. Growth is found in the losses that we admit. There will be another hunt. The deer will be there. The land will remain indifferent. But I won't be the same. Because every mile walked in silence, every bumped sambar, every mistake admitted, makes me a sharper version of the man I was. We don't hunt for praise. We hunt for clarity. This is why we come back. We are the sons of silence. Until next time. Thanks for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and to see more of the same content, please subscribe to the channel. See you soon.